With 4 beds, 2 baths and a 2-car garage sitting on just over 600 square meters on a corner block with side access. Hi, I'm Damion from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 30 Vermont Drive here in Parkhurst. With close proximity to both the Parkhurst Shopping Centre and the Parkhurst State School, this could be the perfect family starter home, or even if you're considering downsizing. If you're curious to find out a little bit more, give me, Damion, a call at McGrath Estate Agents.